Hello everybody, my name is Milena Paulino, but everyone calls me Mi. I'm 22. This video talk a little about me, my occupation, family, abilities, skills, and my preference. I was born in Mococa-SP, but I live in São Carlos for 12 years. I live with my father and mother. His name is Walter and she is Maria. I have one sister. Her name is Fernanda, who is married to my brother-in-law, Fábio. They have two sons, Thales and Miguel. I love very much my nephews. I consider myself as the cool aunt. I'm an oral health assistant for 4 years. I work from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. from Mondays to Fridays, occasionally on Saturdays during the morning. I love my job. I love a lot of type of sports, especially swimming. I practice 3 days a week during the early morning, at 7 a.m. to be exact. I'm very well with this sport. I like running and walking. I like eating and cooking, especially pizza. I love reading a lot of books, mainly the Bible. As I am Jehovah's Witness, I read it daily. I love animals, in special my cat Dominique. I have a big love for pictures. I take many pictures daily. I like watching comedy movies and listening the soundtrack in the movies. I love listening music from the 70s, 80s and 90s. I am a humble person and extremely funny, but sometimes I'm rather distracted. I think my best quality is friendly. I love new experience, like learning new idiom. Well, that's it all about me. Thank you for your attention, and for more information, check my CV again and contact me. See ya!